Hello everyone and welcome to a new Notion tutorial. In today's video I'll show you how you can change the language in your Notion account in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, click on the profile picture or profile name on the left side bar. Next, click on settings, go to preferences and look for language and time language. Select the language that your current system has and a list of multiple languages will appear. Select the language that you'd like to use. For example, I'd like to use French. A pop-up will appear. Click on the red update button. After that, Notion will refresh with the new language that you have selected. And that's it. You have successfully changed the language in Notion. If you have found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more Notion tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and see you in the next video.